Things have been a little different in the multi-tool world. It's been stagnating a little bit, but all at once there has been just a dump of all kinds of cool tools coming out. And one of the things that has changed is Dakoyu has released a Leatherman bit kit. Plus, it's released some other tools that are fantastic for Leatherman and their own lineup. So we'll jump right into it and we'll go down how this is different from Leatherman, how it's the same, and what you get in this toolkit. All right, so this is what we get, and we'll see if we can get the camera to focus or not. But we've got a T8, a T6, number 3, a number 0.0, or a number 0.3 rather, 6/30 seconds, 9/64, trying to read that one upside down, number 2, a number 1. On this one, 2mm, 5mm, 3/16, 5/30 seconds. PZ2, PZ1, 1/8, 3/30 seconds. Over here, a T15, a T10, then a 1/4 inch and a 7/30 second. Pretty nice little 10-bit piece toolkit we get from Dakoyu. Now, this toolkit does end up being a little bit different than Leatherman's toolkit, their half kit. This right here, as you can see, one of the differences is even in these micro bit holders, it looks like you can almost store 2 in the Dakoyu one, whereas in Leatherman only has 1. And then there is an overhang right here where Leatherman has the 2 that sort of fit together. Dakoyu is just flat. Also, Dakoyu's is a little wider. Now, as far as pricing, this set right here from Dakoyu is $10.73. Now, for me, there's an extra $4 shipping, so that depends where you're at. One of the things I did find unique was that they do add this. They add the option of the Phillips and the flat edge bit, which a lot of people lose, for only $1.79. Again, there is shipping, so for me that would end up being almost $7, adding the $4.20 to that, or a little bit over $6, I guess. Now, when it comes to answering this question, why is Dakoyu now releasing this Leatherman style bit kit? I think it comes down to all these tools that are available from Dakoyu and other AliExpress sellers. They come under different names, but these tools are being pushed to some extent. We have the knife blade, scissors, on the other side, file saw. Then you'll notice this Leatherman style bit kit, this tool right here that comes in as a scraper, almost like a screwdriver, a wire stripper. On the other side, the all can opener, this cutter tool right here. On this side of the file, you do have the roller. These are spring loaded. These pliers are supposed to be some of the best in the market because of the way they're designed. Very cool tool with G10 orange scales on this one, even though the inner tool set in that file that's only one-sided, I'm not a huge fan of. I would prefer a 1/4 inch bit driver as well. But overall, this has some unique characteristics. It's almost like a cheaper Leatherman charge, coming in around $30 to $40, not that expensive. And you can get it in a ton of different color choices, all kinds of different options. Some of these, this is a half version of the tool. Some of these come with pocket clips. A lot of them you are not pocket clip compatible, but some of them are. Now, Dakoyu is not only selling just their bit kit for these, but also pocket clips for those that are compatible. And the pocket clip comes in around, I think it's $3.34 for the pocket clip. Again, there's shipping on top of that. Now, another cool thing is that they are selling the thumb stud, which is fairly unique to this model. It's just a flat thumb stud. You'll see on the knife right here, it's a little different from Leatherman. This will be almost like a rectangle with rounded edges, whereas in Leatherman's a little different. So there is an exact thumb stud for these that they sell for around $2. I actually bought an extra one. I've got all these tools right here that it will fit, I believe. I think it fits all these. So I'm sure I can use this in these. Now, another thing as well, I've actually bought this in the past, but you can buy extra wire cutters, replaceable wire cutters. These will be the same as Leatherman. So I've tried these before, but these fit in your Leatherman cutters. They're exactly the same pretty much. These come in also at $3.34. Again, there's always shipping, so it will vary depending on where you come from. But if you want extra wire cutters and these are cheaper for where you're at, they are very cheap if you buy a tool and you just add an extra one, then you're already paying the shipping. So when I got the next tool bits, I went ahead and checked the compatibility with Leatherman. I'm going to do the same with these. This one fits great this way. It fits good this way as well. I actually found that with Nextool, some of their bits, I think all their bits fit great with Leatherman, but some of their bits did not fit in their own tool, which I thought was unique. That's one of the issues I think they faced a little bit. Of course, if you have an issue, you can just use a Dremel and take off any bit of excess metal if that would be an issue. Most all these, I mean, yeah, they fit pretty nice and securely in the Leatherman kit right here. It is nice that there is becoming a lot more options for Leatherman. Leatherman has not done a great job keeping these bit kits available. Not sure the exact reason. I suspect it's because they've been relying on overseas suppliers, and the overseas suppliers sometimes have not been keeping up with production. That's what I hear. I can't confirm that, but all these bits fit great in the Leatherman bit kit, so I don't think that's an issue. This is the box from Nextool that their bits come in. When you buy them, then it has a magnetic strip here, and the bits sit on that. I think I actually took that magnetic strip out for whatever reason, not sure why. Maybe I was just curious about it. Then this is Dakoyu's half of a Leatherman bit kit, essentially, right here. Now, this is my favorite version. I love this leather wallet from Etsy. I actually just keep a bit kit right inside here. It is extremely handy. I can add different bits in it. This is actually, someone 3D prints this and makes this or sells it on eBay. I will try to leave a link if I remember. But there are many different ways to store your Leatherman bits. I personally think this wallet bit kit is the best. Why use extra space on your belt when you can just put a nice little kit in your wallet? That works for me, but one of these may work better for someone else. So there are several versions how you can carry your bits. Pretty exciting stuff coming on the market. I have some brand new multi-tools coming. They're almost here, so keep watching this channel. We have got some upgraded knife steel. We have got some tools that may reshape the market coming soon. I have got a whole bin of a mixture of tools past and present that I haven't reviewed yet, so keep watching the channel. There are a ton of new things coming very, very soon.